This is a room tour of 1238, which is an executive king at Harrah's at Lake Tahoe. Now you may remember I stayed at Harvey's opposite in June, very end of June. So I thought I'd try Harrah's just more for a change of scenery than anything else. But I certainly prefer Harvey's for sure. Now the good, you get 2 bathrooms in these rooms. And this was always, I think, pretty much a unique selling point for Harrah's when Bill Harrah built it. Every room comes with 2 bathrooms. So that's good. But other than that, the room is pretty damn tired. This is your closet space. I'm just checking out here after 4 days here. I've got a 2 queen room, and I couldn't get housekeeping any day I was here. Now that's fine if you're here for 2 or 3 days, but it got to the point where I called them. There's your safe, and they said, yeah, let's send someone up. I sort of went out thinking everything would be done by the time I got back, and literally, I'll show you here, that was housekeeping. They didn't even take the old towels away. Ridiculous. Now I'm not expecting it every day. Once during the trip would be fine. And I get that a lot of hotels have issues with housekeeping staff, finding them, etc. But, I don't know. Just chucking towels in the room and walking off. I ended up taking the towels down the hallway and handing them to a housekeeper in the end. And I have a view there of Bally's. The view's not bad actually. Although again, if you stay at Harvey's, the room I had, if you have a look, has got an absolutely stunning view of the lake. And as you can see, there's where the rain or whatever has come in. Just everything looks pretty old, you know. There's loads of chips on all the furniture. Yeah, and it's not shabby chic either, it's just shabby, really. So anyway, that's the bed after I made it to try and make it look respectable. But I would not stay here if I came to Lake Tahoe. I'd gamble in this casino, but I would stay at Harvey's across the road. It's a much better hotel, and the rooms are much, much better as well. Thanks for watching.